Okay, hi, my name is ATIKAH AYUNI binti HAZRAT YOUSUF. My metric number is UDE 190061. For my part is introduction. The just-in-time method is an inventory strategy where materials are only requested and received as they are required within the production handle. The objective of this product is to decrease costs by sparing cash on overhead inventory costs. The just-in-time inventory strategy is considered a drug approach in manufacturing. When deal exercise warrant more production, stock is full, and more manufacturing supply are requested. Next, this method also reduces the stockpiling of the unfinished product. Stock consumption signal the ordering of modern parts. Burger King made the just-in-time method popular for inventory strategies that include keeping stock reduced to number fundamentally essential to create fulfillment. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is RAFIQAH binti ROSELI. My matrix card number is UDE 190081. So today I will be presenting about why did Burger King use just-in-time method for their company. So without further ado, let's get to know what was the reason. So one of the reasons why Burger King used the method is to reduce inventory costs. In addition, to increase efficiency and minimizing waste by only acquiring the products when they need them for the manufacturing process, which will reduce the inventory stock costs. This will definitely save the waste and provide the change with bragging rights about its food's freshness. Moreover, just-in-time method requires manufacturers to accurately forecast demand to be efficient. Other than that, the reason why Burger King used just-in-time method is to reduce lead time. As for an example, materials do not pass to the next phase in an assembly line until the next step or the next station is ready. At any point in the manufacturing process, this will definitely reduces the stockpiling of the unfinished product. Thus, it will also give an efficient manufacturing layout. On the manufacturing floor, business must build a layout to effectively transfer products through the process. To remove the steps in the process, the company must bring the workstations closer together. This will contribute to a more productive production layout that can also reduce lead time. Therefore, reductions in lead time and cost can help the company to produce a product more efficiently and at a reduced price to the consumer. Thank you very much. That is all from me.
Okay, so hi, my name is FARAH HANIM binti ABDUL AZIZ. My metric number is UDE 190064. Okay, so today I will present about process of the method. So as we all know, just-in-time or JIT started as a simple inventory system in which company doesn't store produced item or extra resources necessary for the manufacture of this item, but instead produces them when the product or services are actually in demand. Ordering inventory on an as-needed basis ensures that no protection stock is kept by the company and it works at consistently low levels of inventory. This approach helps businesses lower their cost of carrying inventory, improve productivity, and minimize waste. JIT also allows producers to be very precise in predicting the demand of their goods. It is a positive technique for cost-cutting inventory management, but it also can result in stockout because it can cause supply chain disturbance. It only takes one raw materials supplier who has a breakdown and doesn't produce the product on time to shut down the entire manufacturing process of a manufacturer. A customer orders for goods that surpasses the forecast expectation of the company, which cause shortages of parts that delay the delivery to all customers of finished product. That is why a business must have reliable suppliers who are willing to supply precise quantities of raw materials on short notice in compliance with precise quality requirement and even multiple deliveries within the same day. Instead of a control receiving agency, the suppliers must also be able to supply the raw materials at specified workstation. However, the goal of JIT is to improve a company's return on investment by reducing non-essential costs. For small companies and major corporations such as Apple, Dell, and Walmart, the JIT inventory method is common because it improves cash flow and decreases the amount of capital required to operate the company. Some examples of industries that have gained from just-in-time inventory are retailers, restaurants, on-demand publishing, technological manufacturing, and also car manufacturing. Almost all fast food chains has moved to use a JIT inventory scheme, including Burger King, which hold a substantial inventory of hamburger ingredient on hand all the time, but then a hamburger is cooked only when it is ordered. This saves waste and provides the chain of bragging rights about its food's freshness. This contrasts with an inventory system that has already prepared pre-made sandwiches. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NABILA binti ABBAS. My metric number is UD190050. So I'm going to continue about JIT Burger King process. Burger King run a pull system while catering services operate a push system. Burger King cooks its foods in one of 5 ways: boiling, deep frying, baking, microwaving, and frying. As noted in its mottos and advertisement, Burger King cooks its burger and grilled chicken on an automated grill, while its other chicken product, fish, sides, and breakfast sausage are deep fried in vegetable oil. Burger King prepares its biscuits, cinnamon roll, and cookies by baking in a convection oven and microwave its Burger King veggies burger patty. At Burger King, the customer order a hamburger. The employee collect one from the rack. Another employee keeps an eye on the inventory while making a new hamburgers. The manager orders more beef when the inventory gets low. Every time a customer purchases something at Burger King, they triggered the pool of material required to deliver the final product. The customer, in fact, is one who initiates the change of demand. Previously, in a pull system, the person responsible for estimating the amount of material for a specific order assess how many dishes are probably going to be ordered prior to receiving an order. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is SYAMIERA binti SAHAR. My metric number is UDE 190066. So now I will explain about the benefits of just-in-time method. So just-in-time approach enable company to reduce its storage and waiting time. The inventories are purchased only once it is needed, and the finished product will be produced when there are only demand from customer. The inventories are purchased in the required amount rather than being purchased for future use that could take up more time to be received. Hence, storage capacity and waiting time can be saved. Besides, company can save money when they only buy certain amount of needed materials rather than buying it in a bulk, because they can avoid the materials from getting damaged and cannot be used to produce finished goods. Therefore, a lot of money can be saved by avoiding using it in needed materials. Hi, it's me again. And now you can see the details of the financial information regarding the benefits of just-in-time approach on the slides. So here is some information about Burger King raw material purchases. Firstly, the purchasing cost per unit of raw material is RM15 for both current purchasing method and JIT method. The purchasing unit for the year 2019 is 2.2 million units for both methods. Secondly, the cost per order is RM85 for both methods. And thirdly, total order for the year is 50 orders and 250 orders for both methods respectively. And fourth, carrying cost of Burger King consists of warehouse storage fees, insurance and taxes, that is as much as RM10 for both methods. And lastly, the inventory units are 10,000 for current purchasing method and 2,000 only for JIT method. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is SYITI HAJAR EMELIA. My metric number is UDE 190084. So today I'm going to explain about the table from the previous slides. From the table, we can conclude that for current and just-in-time method, purchasing costs are equal. For just-in-time method, the order unit increased from 50 units to 250 units, whereas ordering costs also increased from RM 4,250 to RM 21,250. For the inventory level for carrying costs for the current method is 10,000 units, while for just-in-time method is 2,000 units. For just-in-time methods, carrying costs reduced from RM 100,000 to RM 20,000. For just-in-time method, purchasing can save costs from to RM 63,000. Continue with me. For the critics of non-financial information, there will be a few risks for Burger King company to put up with. Just-in-time method can cause a risk of running out of stocks. Just-in-time method will not be able to adapt with the market demand, where the inventory will maintain at minimum levels. Besides, if there is any failure occur in the supply chain, it can lead to sudden unapproachable in production that can bring huge loss for the business. A minor disruption in supplies to the business from just one supplier could force production to cease at a very short notice. Moreover, just-in-time do not produce items for sale until they have been ordered by the customers and unable to handle large orders. It will cause higher rate of incapacity of company to fulfill the large order in a timely manner that can cost a business money. Last but not least, just-in-time production strategy may pay more per item because they must make smaller and more frequent orders, which will increase the cost of production, such as additional shipping and delivery charge because of the more frequent ordering made by the company. That's all from me. Thank you.
So hi, my name is AMEEDA binti ALIAS and my matrix number is UDE 190030. So now I will present it for the conclusion. Okay, just-in-time or JIT method have been implemented in many industrial organizations. It is because JIT method is an approach to achieving excellence in eliminate risk by cutting and removing the unnecessary inventories or non-value added activities in operation, whereas this method is also known for the inventories management system, which materials or product are only produced when it's required. The reduction in lead time and cost may help the company to produce their products more efficiently at a reduced price for its consumers. For example, Burger King only cook their food when it is requested by their customers so that they can reduce waste. At the same time, they can keep their food freshness. Besides, Burger King also ordered their inventory on as needed basis, which is the inventory is only for the limited time, so that they can keep their inventory low and also they can reduce waste. So finding a responsible suppliers are very much helpful for a company so that they can achieve the JIT's goal, which is to improve a company's return on investment by reducing the non-essential. JIT also helps organization to strengthen their company competitiveness on the market when it is adopted correctly. So this can be concluded that any organization or company who's applying for JIT method proves that not everything in the organization should have done in a short time or express. It is good organized resource allocation that matters. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.